Now we are going to see the another example which is under while loop. The problem statement to print the given number in reverse. That is, if I am giving the number as 123, now I need to print the reverse of this. That is, I am expecting the output to be as 321. Any given number, we need to reverse it and display it. And the logic for this is as follows. So first we are going to write hash include stdio.h, next int main. So I am initializing some variables, int num. Next I require a reminder, I require sum equal to 0. Next I also require one temporary variable. I am requesting the user to enter the number. Scanner, I am reading the number, %d, address of number. Now I am storing this original number in a temporary variable because at a certain point of time this num is becoming 0 while num not equal to 0. Here first step is reminder equal to given number mod 10. So I will be getting the units position. Now here sum, or you can also use another name like reverse. I am just using here it as sum equal to sum into 10 plus reminder. Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus reminder. Next I need to reduce the given number, num divided by 10. So after doing this I am writing if, I need to print this number, printf the reverse of %d is %d. The reverse of given integer is %d. So here there are two arguments which need to be passed. One is the original number and the number where we got the result. That is, in sum we got the reversed value, return 0. Now this is how we can get the reverse of a given number. Now let me give the input. Now you are going to get the output, enter the number. So I am entering the number as 123. What is my expected output for this? 321. So let me enter and check whether I am getting my expected reverse of a given integer 123 is 321. So whatever the logic whichever I have written, it is working absolutely fine. So let me just trace out the given number and check iteration by iteration. First iteration, 123 not equal to 0. Condition is true. If the condition is true, the control will enter into the block of statements within the loop. Now reminder equal to num mod 10. What is 123 mod 10? 123 mod 10 is 3. Remainder is 3. Now sum is equal to, what is the earlier sum value? 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. So 0 plus 3, sum value is 3. Next, num is equal to num by 10. What is the num value? What is the num value? 123. 123 divided by 10. Now we are going to get 123 divided by 10 as 12. 12 not equal to 0. 12 not equal to 0. Condition is true. Then we will enter into the loop. This is second iteration. Remainder equal to 12 mod 10. 12 mod 10 is 2. Sum is equal to, what is the earlier sum value? Earlier sum value is 3. 3 into 10. It is 30 plus what is the remainder is 2. 30 plus 2. The sum value is 32. Next, num is equal to num by 10. Num is equal to 1 by 10. Sorry, 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is 1. Next, checking for the third iteration. 1 not equal to 0. Condition is true. Remainder is equal to 1 mod 10. Now remainder is 1. Sum is equal to sum. The earlier sum value is 32. 32 into 10 is 320. 320 plus remainder is 1. 320 plus 1 is 321. Next, num is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0. Now checking for the fourth iteration. 0 not equal to 0. This condition is false. Once the condition is failed, the control comes out of the while loop and you are going to print this. The reverse of a given integer is whatever the temp value, the original value is the sum. In sum we got the value as 321. So we get the output as the reverse of given integer 123 is 321. Now let me check with another test case. Let me give another number and see whether I am getting a proper correct output or not. Now I am giving the input as this number 235423. Let me give it as 1. Okay. Now the reverse of given integer 23542331 is, see from the reverse, 1324532, which means the given logic whatever I have written, it is working absolutely fine. This is how you can reverse a given integer with this particular logic.